Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Love It 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I will be making a glam version of this DIY side table or tray table that I created for 4th of July. But before I show you the tutorial on how I made this into a glam side table, let me just share with you some of the ideas mentioned on the comments on that DIY. If you haven't seen that DIY yet, please click on the link on the upper right side corner or in the link down below. And I'll also be showing a thumbnail at the end of this video. So first, the original project, I created this tray table. I used the pizza pan from the Dollar Tree, and it's removable and it's multifunction, so it acts like a table and a tray. So what's good about this project, this is lightweight, and you can use this portion here as storage, which I also showed on that original video where I put some chips or packaged cookies like this one here. But as most of my DIYs, I spark some ideas because my DIYs, they provide you with the basis of what you can do for your own needs. So I really enjoyed the enthusiastic approach and the suggestions that were given to me. So I tried some of them. And this is the first one that I'm going to try, is that I am adding this page that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see that it fits snugly here, and there's a lip, that's why it's kind of not going through all the way down. And what I like about this one is that it has a handle on each side, so it's easier to maintain or to handle. And you can put ice and some drinks there, and it's dual function also. So if you don't want to use it for your chips or snacks, you can use this as an ice bucket. I chose the gray colored one because it blends well or coordinates well with the black, but they also come in different colors, so if you want to use a different color scheme, feel free to do so. Another commenter suggested that probably use a cut glass that you can purchase at Michael's. Although I haven't been to Michael's in a while, I don't know for sure what the type of glass that is. I have concerns about using glass as a topper because of its nature. Glasses are breakable. Another commenter stated that you can use a tempered glass, and she also said that you can recycle used microwave turntable like this one. So I'm trying it here, and I want to let you know, yeah, it looks great, and it's not as breakable. You know, this is durable. It's inside the microwave. It survives so many uses. However, of course, caution for you, if you are not going to permanently attach this may still fall. Although what I like about the wreath form, it will hold it, and even if it slides out, it's going to capture it or catch it. But if somebody topples it over and you have a hard surface floor like this one, a tile or a concrete floor, if you're using it outside, it may still break. But if you put it on top of a carpeted floor, that will be a great idea. So I like that. That's a winner idea again, and I like the fact that you can recycle old microwaves, or you can go to thrift shops to buy something similar. So now I'm going to be sharing you the other tabletops that I have thought of. And of course, on that same video, you've seen me use this pizza pan, and I have covered it with contact paper. This style will work well, not just outdoors, but also indoors. Just remove the embellishments for 4th of July. Leave it plain, probably add a burlap ribbon to replace that rope that I used at the center, and it will be perfect all year round. Anyway, another thought that I have is to use the chargers. And you know, these plate chargers from the Dollar Tree are already painted. You can find this in silver, like this one, also in gold finish, as well as the white, you know, the pearl white. And I think most recently they do have kind of like the rose gold or copper finish. Although I personally haven't seen them, but I've seen some folks hold them before. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using as a topper for my glam table. And this is what I'm going to be using. This is actually a tray, a food tray. And you can find this at the party aisle or the catering aisle. It is the perfect fit for the wreath form. And what I like about this one, this is an inch bigger in circumference than the pizza pan. So it has more space, and like I said, it fits snugly. Now it's up to you if you want to paint this, but I kind of want to leave it clear for the project that I'm about to show you. So let's get on with the project. So I went ahead and created another set, and I spray painted it outside. And I still see a little bit of spots there, so I'm going to be retouching them later. But I used a Rust-Oleum spray paint that I purchased at Walmart for a little over $3. This is a good one. It's a good buy. It also bonds with plastic. So I picked the metallic bright gold, and I like that this one you can spray it at any angle and it's easy to use. So again, it's a Rust-Oleum product. So it's for less than $4. You can get this and it goes a long way. Let me just show you how I'm going to embellish this and glam it a little bit. So I am okay with leaving it like this. You know, there's a seam, but then I noticed that there's some unevenness, okay? And even some more, a little bit more black there. I'm just going to use this bling wrap or bling ribbons. This is the diamond wrap that they sell at the Dollar Tree as well. Comes in 9 feet, and you know, I'm just going to be hot gluing it around as to add bling. Now if you want to use silver, kind of like to make it a little, kind of have a contrast, then you can do that too. I'm going to be hot gluing it here. If you want to use some gems, you can add them. I kind of like the kind of cleaner look. Just remove some of the webs. So here it is in one of the corners of our dining room area, and I like it. I prop it up with some of our items that has a little bit of bling in it. And I use the charger, the plate charger from the Dollar Tree. I kind of like seeing some exposed wires from the wreath form. And I think that's lovely. I love it. I mean, I'm not always into glam stuff, but once I see something that catches my eye, I mean, I'm in love with this. And the total of this project, if you will count the plate, it's $4. But the base again is just $3. And I have some leftover blings. If you don't have one and you're gonna buy a roll, you're probably just gonna spend $1 to buy the roll. But the good thing is, probably only less than a yard of that roll you're going to use. If you don't want to put the bling, you don't have to, because it's pretty as it is. Make sure that there's no visible gap that is going to be bothering you when you see it. Now let me just show it to you with a silver charger, which is a contrast to the gold. And you know how even on your jewelry, when you're wearing them, you can wear silver tone or platinum tone. It's like a silver kind of color, or white gold with yellow gold, or even rose gold. I like the contrast too. And suggestion for this is, if you're embellishing this portion here in the middle, maybe use the silver colored bling wrap, and then maybe put a gem that's silver. Yeah, the more it's going to be really glammy. Okay, so this is the setup when you have the clear tray that the Dollar Tree sells. And to be honest, if you ask me, of all three setup, this one is my favorite. I don't even have to paint this, to be honest. I like that the diamond pattern showing on clear, and I can still see through inside. And I'm gonna set it up with something that you will really like that can add drama to it. Here's the other setup. that I was excited to try. One of my favorite floral arrangements DIYs. I will be linking it here, up here. It's a trio of spring floral arrangements. That's how I entitled it. I used 3 ramekins, identical ramekins, because I like that teal color or turquoise. Ramekins I got at Ross, and I believe they were like, if it's not $3.99, it's $4.99 a set. And then I only used Dollar Tree flowers here. I use also the candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. And what I like about this one, look at what I placed underneath, is the fairy lights. The Dollar Tree sells that. I got mine from, I believe, TJ Maxx for like $6.99 or $7. It has 40 bulbs. The Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot, I think they only have 10 bulbs. Look how dramatic. And then I got that gold votive holder with the faux LED light from the Dollar Tree as well. So look. Or you can add at the bottom also some extra fairy lights, but I kind of like it this way. Kind of focus that there. Isn't that amazing? I am really loving this. So your wastebasket can look so glam too. So spray paint it any color you want, any finish you want. From yellow gold to rose gold to copper to silver. You know, you can do anything. You can decorate it farmhouse, you can glam it up, you can nautical it, you can probably do a little bit more of an industrial look. Like my daughter likes industrial stuff. So again, thanks everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. And then to those of you who are always here commenting, thank you so much. I welcome all your comments and suggestions. And I hope everyone is having a great day. God bless everyone. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye-bye.